You've been using AI your whole life. Today, you're going to stop being a user and start being someone who understands it. Two realities, both real. Which side are you on by the end of this course depends entirely on what you do in the next 10 days. Let's start with the thing nobody explains properly. What AI actually is. AI is not magic. It's a system trained on massive amounts of data to predict what comes next. When you type a prompt, the model doesn't think. It calculates probabilities. It asks, given everything it has learned, what is the most likely useful response? This matters because it explains everything. Why AI hallucinates, why it's biased, why better prompts get better results. Is it intelligent? Depends on your definition. It can write poetry, explain quantum physics, debug code, and fool you into thinking it's human. But it doesn't know it's doing any of that. That gap between what it can do and what it understands is where your critical thinking lives. Language models, trained on text. This is what Claude and ChatGPT are. They generate language. Image models, trained on image-text pairs. Adobe Firefly, ideogram. They generate visuals. Code models, fine-tuned for programming. GitHub Copilot, Bolt.new. They generate and run code. See the difference? Same question, different models, different answers. Neither is right. They're both probabilistic outputs. Your job as a creator is to know which model to use for which task and how to evaluate the output critically. Here is today's task. Pick one industry: healthcare, education, finance, or creative arts. Use Perplexity AI to research. How has AI changed this industry in the last 3 years? Then write a 200-word analysis in your Notion document covering 3 things. 1. What specific problem did the AI solve? 2. What did it break or complicate? 3. What human skill became more valuable as a result? This isn't a summary. I want your analysis, your opinion, backed by what you found. Submit this in the Pluralsight platform before midnight. This is your first deliverable. Before tomorrow, sit with this question tonight. If AI can predict what you're going to say next, what does that mean for originality? For creativity? For education? I don't have the answer. Neither does AI. But you'll need to have a position by day 10. See you tomorrow. Day 2 is where it gets interesting. You're going to learn how to actually talk to these systems, not the way everyone else does. Properly.